Good morning and welcome to the second edition of Maths Breakfast with myself, Mr. Combe. Joining me, as usual, is the beautiful Sadie. Happy to be here again, are you? Fair enough. Here a little bit earlier this morning. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning. Why, you may ask? Well, sleeping is for the weak. It's absolute lies. She was up at 5. We are an early rising family, so happy days for that. So, yesterday we did a bit of multiplication. Today, we're going to do a little bit of addition. So, we're going to start simple. And people might look at this and go, oh, that's easy. Why do we need to look at that? Well, from my experience, and the experience of most teachers, this is where you see the most common errors. And here's why. And here's why. If you know it off by heart, you can do it in your head, that's great. But too many times we see people doing this in their head. 8 add 7. They pull some bizarre face, try and do it in their head, and mess up. Now, like I said yesterday, using your fingers is absolutely fine. There's no embarrassment in doing that. But do it right, do it the correct way. So, 8 is our largest number, so I'll put that in my head. 8, it's logged. Now, 7 is our smaller number. Let's have a look at 7. I'm going to have 7 fingers up, okay? This way I know when I'm finished with my 7. So, remember, I have my 8 in my head. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Finished. So, remember, put the bigger number in your head, show the smaller number on your fingers, and then put the fingers down so you know when you have finished. Okay? Basic stuff. And it's far more important to get it right than do it in your head and getting it wrong. So let's move on to your kind of column addition. I know you could be using kind of manipulatives like beans or blocks, but this is more for when you've mastered that and you're looking at doing a more formal method. So start off, and again, 375 plus 64. Now, first things first, like I said before, is lining it up. You've got to set it out correctly. If you set it out correctly, you won't make silly mistakes, okay? Too many times when I'm teaching, I see things like this. And especially when the numbers get bigger, that could lead to all sorts of problems. So, we line it up. We've got our 375 at the top. Our 4 goes in the 1s column. Our 6 goes in the 10s column. There we go. So, we work from the 1s across. Obviously, if it's tenths, we start there. So 5 add 4. So let's do what we did previously. 5 in our head. Okay, I'll stick it. 5 in our head. Here's our 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, we'll do the same thing. So 7 in our head. Show our 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, double digit number this time. So, 13. Remember, we write it in the correct order, just like we did for the multiplication. So you carry our 1, 13, and then looking at the hundreds column, 3 plus the 1 gives us 4. 439. Again, remember, can you challenge yourself? Can you round your number to the nearest 10? Can you round it to the nearest 100? We know you can, but you're very advanced in maths lately. Other people, maybe not so. Let's do one more, and then we'll move on to something more challenging. So, again, we're going to have 600 659 plus 166. So, start with our ones column. 9 had 6, 9 in our head, here's our 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'll put my 1, so I'm writing the number in the correct order. And then my 5. Now remember, it does say 5 and 6, this is the tens column, so technically it is 50 and 60. Just remember to bear that in mind. So 5 and 6, we put the 6 in our head, shows the 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, add the 1, gives us 12. Writing it in the correct order. She's a real stickler for that. Last column, our hundreds column, 6 have 1, well, should be able to do that in her head simply. 7, add the 1, gives us 8. 825. Again, round its nearest 10, round its the nearest 100. Can you do that? She's very vocal today, loving this. So, moving on to the next level. And this is where we have questions like this. So 3 plus 1.78. Okay? Now, a lot of common mistakes here, and it comes to knowing the place value and lining up your numbers properly. This is what I see a lot of. What's the problem here? What's wrong? Have a think. Hopefully you've realised the 3 is in the wrong column. We've put the 3 here in the hundredths column. It doesn't live there, it lives in the ones column, so it needed to be here. Can I have the whiteboard rubber, please? Please? I'm just going to steal it for a second. You can get back in there. There you go, sweetheart. So, let's line it up properly. Put our 3 here. Now, our 1 here goes in the ones column. Our 7 goes in the tenths. And our 8 goes in the hundredths. If you want to, although don't have to, you can put some placeholders there. It makes it look a bit better than anything else. Put our 0 and our 0. Now add it up. Gives us 0 plus 8 gives us 8. 0 plus 7, 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, little extension for you here. Can you convert this into a fraction? Now, look, sounds hard, not hard at all. So, our whole number here is 4. Now, we have 78 here, and we know that this last column here is the hundredths column. So we know that our number is going to be out of 100, and it's going to be 78 out of 100, which you can simplify if you're fantastic at maths. Let's do another one, a bit similar to that. Whiteboard rubber, please. She's desperate to get it back. There you go, sweetheart. Oh. 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 There you go. So, slightly different. We're going to have 16 plus 3.47. Again, start with our 16, and this is the tricky bit. Which column will our 3 go under? It's not going to go here, which I do see happening. Oh, that does not work. Sorry. The 3 will go under our 6, our point, 4 in the tenths, 7 in the hundredths. Put our placeholders. Remember our decimal point there. So 077, 0 at 4, 4, 6 have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. And our 1 in the tens column. Again, can you convert that into a fraction? So our whole number again is 19. The last column we've got is our hundredths. has been interesting, parents. I hope you can use this to help your kids with the work. Kids, if you're watching this, hopefully this makes things a little bit more simple. If you look at the descriptions column at the bottom, I'm going to put 15 addition questions for you to give a go at. Hopefully this was enjoyable. She's going to hit me with that in a second. I do apologise if the audio is not as great as it could be. This is very much a homemade production, but we are looking into investing into a microphone to improve the quality, aren't we, dear? I think that's the perfect way to end it. Have a good day, have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow for the third episode of Maths Breakfast.